What's up? What's up? It's your man, Jimmy Chan. All right, so it tells me the graph, the inverse of this, right? So it tells me the graph. So anytime it tells you the graph, I'm going to tell you it's probably easier to just use points, okay? And kind of go from there. So this gives me a domain that x has to be greater than or equal to 5. And typically they put this in here because they're going to claim that this is 1-to-1, which means the inverse of this is going to be a function. And if you don't stick with this domain, then it probably won't be a function. All right, so I'm going to make a table that says that x is going to be greater than or equal to 5. All right, just to get me some points. So I'm going to go ahead and make a table. And the x value, I'm probably going to start with 5 to the 6 to the 7 to the 8. Okay, so what I have is that f of x is equal to x minus 5 squared. Okay, well, what is 5 minus 5 squared? So this would be 5 minus 5 squared, which is going to give me 0 squared, which is 0. I'm going to have 6 minus 5 squared. Well, that is going to give me 1 squared, which is 1. 7 minus 5 squared. Well, that's going to give me 4. And 8 minus 5 squared is going to give me 9. So I have the points 5, 0, 6, 1, and 7, 4. So let me go ahead and graph that. Let's make sure that I have it tall enough. And looks like I'm going to need it high enough as well. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's see if I have enough points here. 5, 0, 2, 4, 5. Let me mark off by 2's here. Makes it easier to work with. So 2, 4, 5, 0, 6, 1, 7, 4, and 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 4, 6, 8, 9. So I kind of have to do it this way here, shrink this down to here, and shrink this down. Let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that looks good. Let me take this back down. And I probably should have marked where the center of this was. There we go. So that would be my f of x. Okay. So again, my points were, let me draw a line here. My points were 5, 0, 6, 1, 7, 4, and 8, 9. To find the inverse, what do I have to do? I have to switch the x and y. So my 5, 0 now becomes 0, 5. My 6, 1 becomes 1, 6. My 7, 4 now becomes 4, 7. And my 8, 9 now becomes 9, 8. Okay, so let's go ahead and plot those. 0, 5. 1, 6, 4, 7, and 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 8. Whoopsies. So I'm going to have something like this. Come on. There we go. That looks good right there. So let me take this out. Okay. Put this back in. Like so. Maybe I shouldn't have put that f of x right there, huh? Maybe I should have put it right here. Hey. Up. Okay. Oh, that's the other thing I want to do. I want to make sure that I make this dotted. So this right here will be f negative 1 of x. So if I look at the choices, this is going to be choice B. All right. So again, anytime it says the graph, the invert or graph anything, I typically like the points. It's a lot easier to see, a lot easier to plot. So I hope that helps. If there's any questions, let me know. See ya.